Keto Blake here. Coming at you with a new look. Cut the hair, cut the beard, got the drum whisk. Alright, we're gonna make some chocolate peanut butter fat bombs. Fat bombers. Alright, let's go. What do we got? 4 tablespoons of butter. We got that good Irish butter. Straight from the island. A little metal version of Africa in the background. Four tablespoons virgin coconut oil. To microwave it until it melts. Until that melts. It says 10-second intervals, but I'm putting it on for a minute. Fuck it. Oh yeah, yep, that looks nice. Oh, all melted. Woo. All right. Once it's melted, add the heavy cream. 4 tablespoons. 1. 2. 3. 4. I make myself laugh. That's a good thing. Oh, what? Whisk. Oh. Thoroughly whisk together. That's what it says. Mix in the powdered peanut butter. Oh yeah, that PB2. Ooh. Come on, I'm looking for sponsors. Keto metal chef that sometimes plays the 80s. Alright, 2 tablespoons of this. That's good. 2 tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder. Made right here in Hershey, PA. I'm looking for sponsors. Teaspoon of pure vanilla. It just wants to do a whole tablespoon of this shit. Make sure the lid's off, because sometimes it isn't. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon, alright. 1 teaspoon of stevia. It's a good remix. Whisk again. Spin one way, put the dish the other way, you get it done a little faster. Alright, there we go. Looks good. Alright. make it even. Where's the spatula? Ah, the shitty one again. Son of a bitch. Spatula the rest. Salted of swing. Yeah, one's a little low. Now, freeze it. Freeze it for at least an hour. At least an hour. And here's the finished product. I swear, it's like the Weber family peanut butter fudge. This is the best fat bomb I've tried so far. Awesome. We'll eat one. Yeah. Fucking awesome. Get one of my trusty camera women. Oh. Stay tuned.